Create a stunning website. Build a professional website that showcases your music, biography, tour dates, and a mailing list sign-up. A well-designed website is your central hub online. Leverage social media platforms. Maintain active profiles on major social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Consistent posting and engagement with fans are key. Consistent content sharing. Regularly share high-quality content, including music releases, behind-the-scenes videos, and updates. Keep your audience engaged and informed. Engage with fans directly. Respond to comments, messages, and fan interactions promptly. Show appreciation for your audience's support and build a loyal fan base. Collaborate with other artists. Collaborate with fellow musicians and producers, cross-promoting each other's work. This can introduce your music to new audiences. Music streaming services optimization. Optimize your presence on music streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. Create eye-catching playlists and engage with your listeners. Email marketing campaigns. Build an email list and send regular newsletters with updates, exclusive content, and special offers to keep fans engaged and informed. Live streaming performances. Host live-streamed performances or Q&A sessions on platforms like YouTube or Twitch to connect with fans in real time. Music blog and playlist submissions. Submit your music to relevant music blogs and independent playlists. Positive reviews and playlist features can boost visibility. Paid advertising and targeting. Invest in targeted online advertising, using platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads to reach potential fans based on demographics and interests.